Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Make sure Fivem and GTAV are running and your microphone is recognized in Windows. Once done, close apps that take keyboard or mic focus. Now open Fivem, press Escape, and go to Settings, then Key Bindings. You're looking for the radio or voice section. Select Push to Talk. This first step gets you into the right menu so you can assign a key that won't conflict with other hotkeys. Pick a simple key you can hold comfortably while driving or walking. Now assign the actual key and configure your mic parameters. You'll want a single, reliable key. Avoid combos like Shift plus X that can interfere with OS modifiers. Then go into Fivem voice options and explicitly select the same microphone that Windows uses and confirm app volume isn't muted. Next, tweak threshold and gain so ambient noise isn't always transmitting. Lower threshold to hear quiet speech, raise to cut background hiss. Finally, use the in-game voice meter to test while holding the key so you see live feedback. Finish by testing in a private session so you don't disrupt others and you can iterate quickly. Hold your bound key and speak. Verify teammates hear you or watch the in-game meter. If it fails, restart Fivem and try running it as administrator to fix permission grabs. Make sure overlays like Discord or Steam aren't hijacking input. Disable them briefly. If problems persist, update audio drivers, rebind to another key, and retest. This sequence resolves most push-to-talk issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.